Hi all, Lee Veras here with Phototech Tuesday. Each week I'll be posting a new video about photography, technology, art, and everything in between. Today I'm going to share my experience with TinType, which is a really fun iPhone app from Histomatic. We just got back from our Neighborhoods of New York photo adventure, which includes a visit to Ellis Island with a tour of the abandoned hospital facilities. This is an amazing relic from the great periods of immigration that operated from 1902 to 1951. Today, the buildings are closed to the public except for guided tours managed by the private Save Ellis Island Foundation. Our group explored the crumbling hospital wards and expansive grounds, reveling in the scenes of decay. Bobby and I had recently downloaded the iPhone app TinType by Hipstamatic. And as soon as we start using it on a tour, we realized how perfectly it fit the mood of decay and antique nature of the hospital and grounds. So I thought I'd share a little slideshow of scenes from the Ellis Island tour captured using the TinType app. Well, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the show, and hopefully this has provided some inspiration for your own photography, and perhaps you'll investigate TinType by Hipstamatic, say that 5 times fast, for your own work. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss another Phototech Tuesday. Bye-bye.